Hello all. Oh crap. Include microphone audio from the headset from the PlayStation camera when broadcasting. That's it? It is actually normally for the PlayStation camera. That's it? It is actually normally. It was just a button, normally it's activating by itself. Oh, you son of a... Yeah, because there's actually an option you can do on these sound devices, and sound device says mute game voice chat. If you just, you know, click on it for having it activated, so it's actually an empty bar, and you're going back with actually a filled bar to say, okay, it's off, then somehow the live stream itself gets fucked up. And you have to activate it then over the broadcast, on the audio sharing settings, the button include microphone audio broadcast or in broadcast. That is wonderful. I thought actually my microphone is broken. Checked out my microphone is working over the PlayStation itself, even on the adjustments. That was the weirdest ever I just get actually on the microphone. Yesterday that was a live stream on the Part2, right, on the DjVolgin account I had. Everything fine as. Just came in over here. Just found, what the hell is wrong with the microphone? I hear myself and all these stuff, then whatever. I'm pissed. And that is actually a start of a live stream. Already on Facebook, I just, you know, give it away also. Sorry for that one. Actually, I'm not pissed. I'm okay, I'm fine. But the mood right now is just actually, I see Need for Speed Heat actually as a game title here for the CarX Drift Racing Online. As it is as a game title for YouTube. YouTube sucks, man, sometimes. Actually good. YouTube is good, 99%, but sometimes I have a little issues. Can't get it together. Shit. It has a delay actually, even you have 1,000 megabytes per second or something in kind of the internet. It takes forever to just get a 12 to 15 seconds delay before you see or hear yourself out of YouTube from a cell phone device or actually a computer device. That doesn't matter that one. It takes long. Twitch is 1-to-1. That means you speak, a second later you hear yourself. YouTube takes 12 minutes, 12 seconds. Here we go. Try to cough at the same time talking, so working. Alright. So, again, welcome back to CarX Part3 on kind of a Wednesday, better say, but I say Wedness-day too all the times. It's the Part 298. And, yeah, you're welcome actually to my lousy, cheaper account from DjVolgin to the Damnation CD account. Like always, just want to actually reach level 25. You already want to try to reach the level 23. And greetings goes out to... Whoa, hold on. It's my camera today. Okay, there's my friend. Guy the Mac, Nitro the Bat down below. What's up, dude? And I want to start to drink alcohol actually without you. Don't worry on that, especially a tequila. What's the music anyway? Spotify, earplugs in. 12:38 here. Okay. Announcement, playing, wanna play? Found no. Okay. Found no cell phone device, that is the problem here. Work phone. Oh, that's me. Is this really me? I'm work phone? Oh my god, oh shit, that's why. Oops, I, changed my phones. I thought actually that is my work phone. Okay, it works. Do you want to find my earplugs? No, you can't. Okay, hold on. I'm changing right now the cell phones. Similarity same. So fucked up. Okay, thank you very much for that one. U.R.B. the Spotify cell phone for tonight. Here we go, they're changing very fast. And music starts. So I'm very sorry about too difficult, or better said, technical difficulties in here. I just run on. Sorry for that one. Here we go. Now I'm sorted. Cell phone was wrong. Microphone was off. But a special option menu right now. After this stupid update the PlayStation 4 was dealing for. Alright, now we can actually hit the button. Say, hey, let's go. Move your ass. Automatical. Here we go. There we go. Okey dokey. What kind of a hardcore music we're listening today, eh? So what's our aim today? 666 in golds, so actually a 44 we drift leading. Get leading. Oh, I'm English today. But first, greetings actually to Tequila, Mexico. Actually greetings to Mexico, but you know, lots of good friends actually with German as well. Ja, well, you know, cheers up, keep high, das rock is in news, I lose gold because of this next game. But all outsiders, watchers, Gaba Mag, Nitro the Bad. Our work today, construction wall, dry laying. It was fun as, you know, a lot of money actually we just pumped in. And no thanks for my boss out. Sorry, but I have to say my boss is a loser. Dream dancer. Yeah, everybody's coming to a situation where you know, seriously don't know what your boss actually been in your life then. If he gives you work and don't say actually thanks or something for that one. That actually once or twice actually, maybe 3 times actually in a year that happened. But nobody actually wants to do that. I miss my old boss, definitely. His father. Oh well. Cheers up. Whoa. Holy shit. Oh, burned. Leck mich am Arsch. Oh, 2 Schluck nochmal statt ein, aber das brennt ja so dermaßen, ne? Brutal. Rest in peace, my last account actually. 13 years long DefRekka account. On the PlayStation Network. 851 games. 271 actually subscribers. On YouTube as well, I mean. 2,771 videos. Live streamed. The account was gone for 2.5 years, and YouTube was gone actually this year, 18 first. R.I.P. actually to Camblock as well out there. 70, what was that? 7 January last year, right? No. Stuff is going on and popping off very fast. Technology, right? Or something is crack. Something to do with this? Vehicle? Vehicle. Yeah, it is. Gambarimasu. Das ist das Bier von gestern, oder? Lebt sich. Ja. Heute habe ich was Schöneres getrunken. Ist aber auch hell hier. So Energiekosten es sein mögen. Glitchery. Takes a little while actually to go into the grid. My hands are a little bit crampy today for that construction wall drawing. The plates actually stuck with 8 bars into the wall pressing in. Got my hands a little not bad, but actually not there, but actually lay there. My English sucks, I'm so sorry for that. Bisschen taub sind meine Hände heute. 32,900 something, right? It's a kind of Mercedes type, but actually cheaper version of China, the Hyundai. See if we can beat it. They're 33. Nope. Oh. Well, it was a try. Watched my video actually for 2 hours ago from yesterday in my live stream, so I saw it. But that was not the idea, actually it came to a red rock, right? That was not the idea to do it. What is it now? Ohio. Ohio. Sunny itch, right? Fantastic music in the background of the game. CarX Drift Racing Online. YouTube. Hello, wake up. These KI manipulated crack. AI generated crack, you know, that's just feeding the. Eigentlich bräuchte ich heute so ein Fußbad oder so, weil meine Fersen alles schmerzt. Boah. Das konnte ich mir Gutes tun. Das habe ich nicht. Zedernsaft und Minze oder so ein Scheiß. Und Tomaten eingelegt und dann ab in die Schuhe damit. Oh. Was ist denn zurzeit los? Ich will jetzt auch Brechreizhusten oder so. Brechreizhusten, ja. Das ist fürchterlich. Ich möchte mich in aller Öffentlichkeit damit entschuldigen, oder? Dass ich euch voll rotze und huste. Mir fehlt eigentlich nichts noch. Was haben wir denn jetzt hier? 623. Hier steht 795. Okay. Wow, this is crack. What's going on in here? Yeah, let's deal with this car. Actually needs 32k or some crack up. But first, we need to actually find me some shoes. Oh, raining out there. Some dude, everything good. Ja, Skriels, ihr feine Ass as well. Sollen wir nochmal einen kippen oder was? Machen wir, wa? Jetzt ist nochmal Berticus. Bertus. Santobertus? Moment. Jetzt mal auf die Nase hier. Grüßerchen. Boah, ist das ein Zeug. Wie viele Drehungen hat denn das Ding überhaupt? Scheiße, steht gar nicht drauf, oder was? 30 Promille. Prozent natürlich. Promille. Wie kann man Promille trinken? Geht das? Indem man sich höchstwahrscheinlich im Krankenhaus sich mal was intravenös geben lässt von einem anderen Patienten oder so. Aber ich glaube bei 30 Promille bist du nur noch Skelett oder so. Gibt's keine Haut mehr. Kein Blut und so, ne? Kannst du dir Scheibenwasser oder Nitroglycerin eigentlich intravenös geben lassen? Wie kommst du dann drauf? So 3 Promille. Du hast jetzt auf 34 Promille mit Nitroglycerin, oder? Irgendwas habe ich mal da gelesen. So. Der blowt noch ein bisschen hier rum. Alles clean, oder was? Stinkt mir eigentlich so. Oh mein Gott, ich habe vergessen, Parfüm hier ein bisschen in den Raum reinzusprühen. Das macht mich immer ganz wuschig. Boah. Jetzt habe ich Schluck auf, Junge. Ja, macht er, ich habe da schon drauf gedrückt, Junge. Braucht halt wieder ewig lang. Takes his time, right? I'm actually already by 1,600 calories today. Yesterday it was 1,800. The other day 1,400. Oh, I'm watching right now the calories. My weight 122 today. Oh man, nose dripping. Wow. A lot of dirt in the nose. Ja, das nicht weiß, Junge. Streicht einfach nur, oder wie? Morgen auch mal eine streichen, oder? Tomorrow is just chainsaw action and we're digging up actually in a garden. Kind of 30 kilometers away. Or it's actually 20 kilometers. I really don't know. And I hope it's not raining tomorrow. It's a disaster. Cheers up. More? Okay, more. Nobody's watching anyway. DjVolgin. Up there. Just actually don't care. That's a new record, dude. A 34K. That's a new record, mate. Nice one. Respect. Get ready for the online mode. But you know, sometimes you go online mode, you get actually a 3.8K or something, this crack. And you can do that in the same time, actually twice, in the single player. So boring then. I think it's depending only, actually, what kind of a room you go in. I mean, what kind of a stage you go in. What kind of a road you go in. What kind of a land or country you go in. How short it is and all this stuff. As an example. We're going right now actually to West Coast area, right? Hold on. Are we dealing actually up with, let's see, we have 20 o'clock, 55. Alright, let's see. West Coast. Hold on, let's put that road. Makes more sense. There we go. West Coast. I'm dealing with this one. Let's see how many points I get in 5 minutes. Toddling around, doing some sessions. Let's see. What's that again? PC, blah blah blah. What? Joined? Oh, I see that. Let's just drift around in here. It's even possible. Oh gosh, that crowd over here again. So 2055, right? let's do this 5 minutes. The connection breaks us. Oh, not again, some asshole. Learn to drift, goddammit. What the fuck? You have no respect, mate. Even your car is not even drifting. What the hell is wrong with you people? It says Tokyo Drift and not actually speed lining up or dragster mode. Wrong with you, mate? Kind of an asshole. Drinking alcohol. Oh, this can't be right. That's why 5 minutes in a room is enough because there are so many idiots around there. Fucking cool, mate. You again, mate. Normally you know me. Oh, you fucker, mate. You're a fucking asshole. Stable. Sorry for that one. So actually 5 minutes are gone. Let's see the end result. 152. Okay. $152 and I'm out. Let's see what kind of a points I get. 1,000 XPs only. I can't believe it. This is so stupid. Okay, fuck that shit. Easy XP? No, it isn't. Forget about it. I need actually a room where you can make a lot of XPs. 1,000 XP in 5 minutes. Ideally around by it. I can do 3,000 XPs in 5 minutes. Not 1,000 XP. What a kind of bullshit is that? R.I.P. West Coast Arena. Horse Rancy's up your ass, mate. Blah blah blah. Nobody's a Twitch mate, but that's stupid. Oh, look at that, lolly lolly low. But I can't. You only can drift, okay? Oh, that's gone. That's gone. What the fuck is wrong in here? Make it thrilling, mate. The Frost guy. UTF. What is UTF? That guy gone? Oh shit. Tandem boringness. What the hell is AAA? Hunters and Friends. I'm on. Let's play it. Badass Christopher is playing actually Drift Racing online. Oh, what the hell happened here? Connection problems? Not really. At 21 and 3, we're playing 5 minutes actually going around here in the track. Let's go. Let's see how many points I get in 5 minutes actually in here. XP points, better say. I just was getting actually 150k in drift points with a 1000 XP in West Coast Arena. Let's see here. Okay, I never will get together here in 5 minutes 150k on drift points, definitely, but let's see. So eine Angst hier. back. Okay, in 6 minutes I couldn't do actually 150k. But let's see, the end result actually... German 1. Oh, it's a German room, okay. So 106. So 40k left. 40 DP... 40k DP actually left. Lesser than actually on the West Coast arena. Okay, let's see. I'm going out in here. Let's see how many XPs I get. 1,565. A little bit more actually in here. Okay, it depends about actually the road we'll drive and what kind of actually actions you're doing. Left, right, scrolling here around. That's just okay. Well, that's weird. So it's always the same. Okay. So it's more like actually when you're just doing actually missions or challenges, you get more XP. Alright, got it. 1. So there's already 15 minutes online in here. And I found out that you get very less points. So it's on single player you get 3 times more XP actually as a normal mode. 3 times more XP as online mode. Sorry, the music is so loud. I can't concentrate when I'm talking and, you know, translating from German and English from my brain out. Must be the alcohol. Ah, paprika. Da stehe ich einfach falsch. Ah, let's go to the toilet. And sip it up! Yeah, or sip it down actually, right? Or sip it, yeah, well, off. Everything hurts today. Ganbarimasu! If you're standing in front of the toilet and saying, good luck out there! Good luck for you or something, you know. Ganbarimasu ichi! Oh, come on, let's keep on moving. Keep on strolling. Oh, hell. Woo! It's always the tequila in the beginning. If I'm drinking tequila in the beginning... Not moving anymore? What's on? What the hell? How are you drying this all the time? You're amazing. That dryer. That's in 45 minutes. I washed actually my clothes today by my hand in the laundry and in the shower. And after 45 minutes already the dryer says your laundry is dry. And it is. Amazing. Huh. Need to clean it every year then. By hand. Inside. Was ist PSF? Personal Saufverein oder was? There are no friends for Germany. That's why nobody's watching in here. Was für ein Penner, oder? Sollte ich hier einen Mittelfinger hinzeigen? Ja. Ey, ich verdiene mehr Punkte, Alter, für meinen eigenen Spaß, anstatt dieses Online-Scheiße manchmal zu fahren. Das langweilt mich manchmal so dermaßen. Beste Beispiel, hier fahre ich 1 Minute 30 und verdiene 500 XP. Und habe viel mehr Spaß daran. Muss mir nicht die Deppen geben, die mir ja ständig reinfahren. Steht schon lang. Er ist auch nicht mehr der Jüngste. Ein Leben geht, ein Leben kommt. Oh, heute bin ich schon gescheit ausgepowert. Leck mich am Arsch. Nicht mal das Bier bringt mich hoch. Es ist echt nur, weil ich nicht CarX hier fahre, sondern nie für Speed und wer fährt das schon noch? Ich kann CarX nicht mehr eingeben. Okay, ich mach mal was anderes. Wird haben wir ein bisschen Glück. Machen wir CarX 2. Ich weiß nicht hier in der Liste, da wäre hier geführt, oder? Der PlayStation, da sieht man mich definitiv. Schauen wir mal, wie viele Leute livestreamen denn heute schon? 9, okay. Wird schon knapp, dass ich überhaupt unter den Top 5 bin. Twitch. Oh, da bin ich schon. Oh, da bin ich. Bin der 4. Grandios. Aber YouTube sagt, leck mich am Arsch, ich finde den Titel nicht. Ich gebe jetzt einfach mal ein. Mal schauen. CarX Drift Racing, aber kein Online. What the fuck, mate? Let's play CarX Drift Racing 2. Let's see how many people is actually watching them. Bringt ihn doch mal heim. Rah.
This is CarX Drift Racing Online 2017, by the way.
It says by the way. What the hell is wrong with you to say by the way wrong? Crack. Ci sto campando nuovi seduto, tutto il present next team. No, it's actually a fine beer coming up for today. Not for yesterday's beer drinking.頑張ります. Come on. Keep moving. How the light actually looks a little bit realistic somehow. No, no, oh sweetheart. Yeah, stupid shit's going on. Oh crap, I thought actually it could be a 50k. Stop, man, stop, boy. That suspension wasn't nice. Oh well, a 509k. Oh, 509 XP. More than allowed the actually online play. Do you think actually that is Drift Racing 2 or something? Wrong. On YouTube there is actually no game title anymore for actually Drift Racing Online. So, well, if I'm not typing in the game title on YouTube, the description, it says Need for Speed Heat. Nobody's watching Need for Speed Heat anymore. The more actually up for actually kind of these Need for Speed Unbound crack. I never played it in my life before and I not want to play it anyway. Boring kind of Fortnite versus Need for Speed or some crack. Get about that wizard. Shiznit. Are we still missing this one as well? Dang. Thought it was. Dosenweg-Schissen oder was? Telling and anywhere, telling everywhere, in the hood nearby you. Yagashi kata. Or is it called an igarashi? Igarashi. Oh, sorry for that one. Makes more sense. Pull up the music, my man. Gamarimasu. That's 60 XP more than with the BMW, the same track, with the same points. What the hell? Looking so amazing, great. Fascinating. Yeah. Telling never anywhere where you just really living. That's not it. She's up, MacGyver, Gava man, can after the bird. Oh, I hit after the band. Sorry for that one. Not a cigarette, broken dude. She's up. Daylight stuff to do. Long journey. Exactly takes 12 seconds. When I just got the loading screen done, it tells 12 seconds. Hold on a second. Let's see. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seconds. Okay, 7 seconds. That is fine ass, dude. I thought all the time 12 seconds, but it's actually 7 seconds on YouTube now. Getting better. Tschüss, abgeben keine Trophy. Salut, Geld, großen die schnell gespielt. Gabatte. That was a 1 minute and 50 and some of my cigarette was burning. What the fuck is wrong? That cigarette was the best. And 42 minutes. There's actually these watchers that are watching me all the time. I'm missing this actually DefRekka account. I'm not very important. I'm just not even informed. Or maybe important. I'm still there, but not important international or something. I just get actually in a 1.5 hour. What was that? 13k together on XP. I just did that. Is it because you're reaching 1 million or something? Only know I'm going to sleep, eat a bit. See how many people are actually watching? Still a 9. I got 4 friends. 3. I'm number 4 right now. Okay. Wedness-day simple. I don't speak that language. Competent and drag. Scotland guys, blah blah, and then here and here. Okay, boring. I don't get it. Really, I don't get it. Let's go Mandela Park a bit. Oh, I'm getting freezing cold in here. Die Focus sucks einfach. Meistens Shit hingetan. GTA, richtig? Wo ist GTA? Warte mal, GTA, da ist GTA. Da ist dann real shit, dude. Yeah. That's the real GTA shit, my man. Down below in the list, actually, I'm sending on a playlist on Spotify. There's actually 3 songs. They're really pumping in, mate.
URL. Well, let's bring it on, my mate.
come on. I'm gonna do it myself. Lousy complication in here. Wie zum Teufel hat er das dann geschafft, weißt du, wie ich meine? Soll das funktionieren? Ja, bescheiße doch, oder? Oh, that's devilish. Devilish. Tequila. Tequila. Did you capire show of his roots or lose got a digital stream? Double mag, mad or the bad. Greetings. Okay. I'll be right back. Need to get a toilet and pee off. Mata. Oh, he's gone? Oh, come on. Alright. Todaimasu. Hello, welcome back. Man, what's going on a Wedness-day? Simply living on. Part 298. Welcome back to the Dead Nations CP Livestream over DjVolgin. Let's see what's going on. Just up Kapan Swap is new, so let's go to the next game. Let's have some beer. I think my can is a little bit empty. What do you want to do anyways? It is crack. I'm sorry, my throat. Couple of days I some have at these hush baby coughing there. I was like don't know what's going on. Man, I'm smoking much. 10 seconds left. Oh, the rich actually in here. And a 1 and a go. Easy, baby, easy. You have 3 minutes, dude. Oh gosh. What the hell was that with them? He was like, if you overtaking me, I'm disqualified and I don't want to play with you again. Kind of a childhood he is. Oh, crack, mate. That's weird. Let's find another partner. There was a lot of time going. I thought, okay, that is my strain. I can go with him. Not overtake him because he's so sloppy. Because his car's not working, something ass shit. Find another partner. Don't like it as well. I must probably salute, so it's got cross on the next thing. Crack Ejay. Ah, my last drip of tequila. Hombre. Ese. Vamos. Down, actually the hammer's going down to something here in the left. Or next 8 seconds. Well, I'm done in here. I feel so lousy right now because nobody wants to play with me. Just be friendly in here. Somebody is watching me, but I'm not sure actually nobody's watching me. Just a fake actually from North Korea or something that's cracked. Check this up on the computer system here. Better open up a beer, be get ready. Yeah, still somebody's watching here. Look at that number, dude. 53, 53. Sweet. 22 o'clock and 02. I think I'm wankish in here, or should I? Let's deal with something else. Alright. See, somebody wants to play with that one stuff. RX-7 is right now about 66 miles per, yeah, well, on the Nation CV account. sorrows, cares. That is bullshit. I just want to play action Mortal Kombat a bit. Oh, nobody's watching here right now anymore. What kind of punk ass is just deal with that? Okay, then I'm gone. Nobody likes it. I'm getting 3K in 28 minutes. Boring. It's sometimes better to play with yourself. I mean, drifting with yourself. Okay, you got it. I think. Also einhämmert wie du willst, das interessiert mich nicht mehr. Entweder ziehst du den Krieg oder lass das bleiben, so wie ich. Bist Pazifist. Dann meldest Inkontinenz an. Ich könnte mit keiner Frau mehr schlafen. Ich hatte noch nie. Und werde auch nie. Bist du anstrengend. Bin eh schon kaputt. Ich muss mich selber erstmal aufbauen. Meine Geschichte ist gelaufen. Deswegen richte ich mich zu Tode. Als ich noch am Leben war, habe ich ihm geschworen, ich werde der lebende Tod. Werde andere richtig hardcore Schaden zufügen. Jetzt bin ich ein Weichei geworden durch das, weil ich zu verbeicheichlicht worden bin. Und werde genau das Gegenteil. Das ist ekelhaft. Ich habe so viel verdient, doch habe nichts gewonnen. Ich werde es nie verdienen. Ich komme in die Hölle ohne Grund. Ohne Grund. Ich habe so viel für Leute getan, so viel für andere und manche kenne ich schon gar nicht mehr. Ich kenne eigentlich nur das Gesicht noch und kenne aber ihren Namen nicht mehr und wo wir uns getroffen haben. Weil als Bauarbeiter siehst du einfach zu viel. Katastrophe. Bist du ein halber Lagerist, Mauertrockenlegung, Maurer, Planführer, Handlanger, Farmer, Zocker. Also ich mache echt schon viel. Hausfrau, eine One-Man-Person, DJ. Da ist schon viel auf dem Kerbholz, so ist es nicht. Aber wenn das Leben langweilig wird, es ist einfach nichts Schönes mehr im Leben. Es ist, keiner gibt den Schwung. Es ist langweilig einfach geworden. Dann schaut da keiner zu. Dann ist es denen egal. Langweilig, oder? Fehlt die Story. Dein Vater hat dich im Stich gelassen seit deiner Kindheit. Deine Mutter scheißt auf dich. Deine Familie ist nicht mal mehr hinter dir. Langweilige scheiß Drecksfamilie, ehrlich gesagt. Können sich komplett weiter bewegen in ihrem Leben, sollen sich verpissen. Was für Krüppel. Haben mir nichts gelernt, haben nichts beigebracht. Hab mir alles selber beibringen müssen. Deswegen bin ich stolz auf meine zwei Onkels und meine Großoma, meine Oma eigentlich, sagt man ja. Ohne meine, ich sag mal, Bauernhof-Geschichte, die ich hinter mir habe, hätte ich nie was gelernt. Ich bin so stolz auf meine zwei Onkels. Ich bin so stolz auf meine Oma. Bisschen auf meine Mutter und das war's schon. Das kann mir gestohlen bleiben. Na der Penner. Soll sich verpissen. Familiär meinte ich natürlich. Arbeitskollegen? Oh, da bin ich stolz, dass ich die habe. Man wächst mit ihnen auf. Und das freut mich. Und das ist immer wieder so ein Highlight. Deswegen gehe ich ja in die Firma. Deswegen gehe ich ja auch in die Arbeit. Dieser verweichlichen Drecksfirma, ehrlich gesagt. Traumtänzerfirma da. Der Chef würde niemals eine Firma haben. Der Altchef schon noch. Aber ohne den Georg, ohne mich, ohne unsere Arbeiter, wäre die Firma nichts wert. Was für ein Weichei. Ich muss irgendwo in einer anderen Firma wieder anfangen, dass ich wieder zum Trainieren anfange. Was ist eine lachhafte Nummer hier. Verpiss dich so in der Richtung. Nee, also sowas langweilt mich. Beim Ettenhuber, da ist dreimal schneller und dreimal härter zugegangen. Bei der Firma, wo ich jetzt gerade bin, und ich verweichliche ohne Ende. Kann kein Mädel mehr in die Augen schauen und sagen, hey, wir könnten mal Freunde werden oder so. Kannst schon vergessen. Du arbeitest beim Finsterer. Drecksfirma. Also, seitdem der halt nicht mehr da ist natürlich. Bürodame nicht mal weiß, was das wert ist und jenes wert ist und meint hier, sie kann hier den bigen Macker raushängen lassen. Sorry, also. Der IQ von ihr ist schon ein bisschen begrenzt, oder? Quatsch mir nicht mehr dazwischen, wenn ich mit der Kundschaft rede. Ich bin Bauarbeiter, du bist Bürodame. Ist wahrhaftig so. Bleib da drin. Und führ mal deine Hunde vielleicht mal 2-, 3-mal am Tag aus. Nicht nur einmal. Ist so. Sterben sie schnell. Hunde sind Hunde, verstehst du? Das sind Wildhunde. Das sind eigentlich Wölfe, aber Wolfarten. Hm. Das ist Tierquälerei, was actually die Bürodame macht, Alter. Gestohlene Zeit. Haftleben. Die sollte mal ins Gefängnis. Mal für 2 Jahre ins Gefängnis. Solche Leute gehören ins Gefängnis, ja. Liebe Zuhörer. here. Loading time. Kommt auch keiner mehr, ne? Dann hat doch jemand zugeschaut. Ist ja gar nicht glauben. Matzen. Ci pie, maar stop je zo. Zo doet het ook als niet next spelen. Try to crack it up, actually at 50k. I'm not sure if I can do that. Well,頑張ります. Let's keep on moving. So difficult actually if you're just doing it daylight or nighttime. It's so fucking difficult. And the music is just astonishing shit. Some sip from the beer.頑張ります. Come on! Holy crap! When I'm fitting through! Nope. Shoot! So. Should be somebody watching in here, right? Damn it, I crashed 2 times. Oh, hell.
Drive him to say good night.
Kind of this shit. I'm very sleepy. A long work on the construction side. Lay down actually drying the, you know, bricklaying stuff, and it's kind of pushing into plates, into walls, dry laying the walls, stuff. It's just, you know, I'm done today. Got actually right now my 1,800 calories on beer only with tequila. Nothing to eat today. I don't want. I feel fine, I feel good. I just want to go to Mortal Kombat 11 or 10, I don't know, with this account. Listening music, you know. Wanna send that. I'm actually very in German. But who cares about that one?
URL.
Yeah, it's actually a good sound. If you want.
Enjoy.
Do another one. Everything's in gold, I know that. Oh yeah, West Coast, mate. Okay, where's the worst? 3.7. Can we beat a 4K? My ears are hurting, headset's on. Okay, this is so troubleshooting. Hey, yo, Gava Mac. After the bat. Wanna do actually drinking that a bit more tequila? Oh, you say yes. Why not? Cheers up.
I can't speak English well.
Oh well, I'm German. If you German, then speak German. My English is worse as well. Everything's good. Gambarnos. Good luck. Goodbye. Oh gosh, you fucked it up. Or is it? Oh, let's see. Oh, crack. 300 points. Try again. 3, 4, 5, 1. Where's the 2? I'm not a quitter. Kampai. Not Rovi. Scheiße Raucherei. Oh, no way. Can't do it. What the hell? Oops, I could. A 4K and a 4. No way. Letter XP. I can't believe it.
Ich word mein Bestes geben,
Oh my
auf Deutsch
gosh,
mit
vehicle.
Ihnen sprechen zu können.
Wo kommst du denn her?
Where are you from? Ich bin aus Japan.
Nihongo, eh? Ohio, konnichiwa. It's not actually, Nihongo and Doisu is kind of Yeah, kind of a 7 Hashishikan, right? Different Hashishikan. So from my side out, it's konbanwa. But from your side out, it's konnichiwa. Ohayo. Crazy. Nihongo desu, eh? Why you say then snow night? Oh, that is typical then. That's weird. Alright, Japanese, eh? Nippon. Doody doody doody. What the hell is that doing in here? Oh, the light kilometer per hour, right? Oh, hi. Hi. Gabatte! Okay. Let's see what we have in here.
Ejay Dinant Milibanit.
Arigato domo, hontoni. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you. Arigato.
Danke für Ihr Unterstützung.
Nande? Suimasen. I'm normally speaking actually German. And sometimes my accent is I doing actually these, you know, Egoha. Nihongo desu is very far away from me. This is Katastrophe. This is Katastrophe. Ah, come in now. I am very angry.
Möchtest du mit mir laufen?
Nande. Oh! CarX? Hold on.
CarX. Yes. PsN ID Definition CB.
Come in aside. Beautiful tequila. Oh, what's this vehicle anyway in here? It's so fishy. I don't know. Oh, okay. Safety first. Oh, no way. Oh. That's a nice one. these so much? That's too much,
Minutes
right?
to Discord.
Come on now.
E. Gamina. Okay.
Ja, nonde. Oh. Mhm. Ich glaube, ich muss das ändern, oder? Oh, what kind of a cruel action is that? Oh, Uni-Zero. Okay, okay, hold on. Oh, crack. For this one, then. Nothing. This is the worst. It's always the rims, always the tires. Okay, that looks weird and lousy. Okay, I'm on it. Holy crack. We change that later, okay? I want to change it later then. Oh my gosh. Alright. Roll is coming in. Let's see. Determinating. That is so Adolf Hitler. What the? Underscore. Let's see what happened in here. So we're doing this one. Just for fun. Oh, that is so shit. I don't know about that one. Being an asshole. %? What's going on with that? What's the maximum? Okay, 5. Being done, wheel, and all this time. Okay, we get in there. Okay, because I'm an idiot. Why? What's the maximum? 8K. We got, oh come on, skeleton, hold on a second. Sorry for that one. Broadcast, advanced settings, blah blah blah, camera settings. Hey dude, you need to go somewhere else. Here we go. A 651. Why? We didn't change the engine, right? Nope. Okay, crazy. Oh! So it's a 666 or what? This is bullshit, dude. Why so overpowered? Why so overpowered? This is bullshit. You don't understand no English, right? And I don't understand how to translate German to Japanese. That's my biggest problem then. Die Japaner wissen how genau das den Meister arbeiten. Oh man. Oh, crazy crap. What happened here? Okay. 21. 23. This is free stuff. Huh? Oh, what hell? 43. Come on. We're moving. So, what's the pattern? It's this one, right? Well, we got a project. Definitely. I just want to call it, but I'm not sure about that one. What the hell? No, I'm sorry. Nande. Okay. Signed. That's a raw model. Raw model, actually. Okay. I think it's cool. Oh, hold on. What's that? Looking good. Hi. Looking good. Arigato. Dun 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 dun. Let's see what's going on for the original model.
Du bist ein sehr interessante Person.
Der schaut das nicht oft, oder? Nein.
Hi, ano ariato domo, pontanai.
Not on there. Oh, there's not many much. I don't like nothing about that one. I don't know. Is it a lifestyle point of view? It seems to be. Yeah. Not. Oh, okay. Okay, jetzt warte mal. Machen wir einen neuen Farbton. Und hier. Das Rot war rot und das ist das. Passt, okay. Warte mal. Ja, na dann das gar. Dass das zusammenpasst und jenes. Oh, this is gonna be. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. Where can I mix it? In here? Okay. So that color goes in here. Ah, fucked it up. Okay, hold on. No problem. No problem. Okay, you get that one in here. Fix it up. Get in here again. Here we go. What kind of color was? Oh, I'm sorry for that one. Alright, here we go. That is nice. Kom in inside on toilet? Toilet? Hold on, I need to.
R.I.P for watching.
Öyle. Got that.
Entour, be right back. Sorry. Won 5 beers today.
Sikan. Oh my gosh, I don't get it together, man. What is this? You know. Yeah, be right back. Hold on. Sorry for that one. Hi! Anzai! Beetle, beetle. Oh, hell. Broken life I'm living actually as a construction worker for a company is already dead. Today it was the most important work. Kind of actually I'm paying one version of a construction worker for a whole week. We just did together actually twice the work for together to dry laying actually walls with plates, nickel chromatic steel plates. I can't only show you what the hell I'm doing then. I was doing today. So today we was actually making a work for peoples for 2 weeks long. They're working on the construction work. A lot of money just gone into the drying off the walls. And so I'm so fucked up today. I'm so dehydrated or something. Everything's cool, everything's good. My mood is good. I actually want to play Mortal Kombat 10 or 11 today after this one in here. Hold on. On Toire? I think so, yeah. Come on, Ejay. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Walk, 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 walk. And running and running. Do yourself for your whole lifetime. I don't think so. Yo, holy crack. What the hell happened in here? I think I'm losing brain power. We can fix that Vivid Translator, son, this crack. But I'm not myself anymore. I'm done, sorry. Oi, oi. Wedness-day, Moji Moji, Biro, Ohio. Alright, where are you at? Pop. Decided actually for the car color, right? Oh, that looks nice. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, where's the rim tire, yo? What's the color of the rim tires? It's still coming, right? Oh, crack. Yeah, free divers. Where are my rim tires? Oh, fix the boot holder. Oh, my rim tires. Hold on. We got the rims right. Alright, I know what's the problem in here. The rim tires. Here we go. Oh, kom igen här. Jag hoppas jag hade exakt att vi tog den där kyssen. That's cute. Okay. Nice one of you. Can't decide like all this. try this one out. Normally I just want to do this one. The surrounding thing. Here we go. But where's the caution stuff? Oh, that's a complete tire. Oh, I'm not sure. Let's do that one. Okay, hold on. I have an idea. It's about this complete car stuff. Complete car stuff. Come on, this one color red. Is that a blue what? Oh, that's crap, mate. Hold on. Okay, that's bullshit. That's seriously bullshit. That's my big problem. Okay, what do you want? White. Reintyre ist das, ne? Oh, that's bullshit. That's original. I like very much. Save fix. That's not easy. That has something, yeah. Look at the red rim tire, dude. The red rim tire, you say? Red rim tire. It's the car itself, the color I hate. Oh man, this car looks lousy. Oh, holy shoot, mate. No, mate. That's weird. There's always that one. Oh, that looks good. Okay, are we done? Yeah, I gave you 5 stars. Let's actually do something with it. The vehicle. I need a cigarette. Tequila! Yay, everything else. I'm not glad on this vehicle. Definitely not glad. So many things I want to change. The color work. Ay. Look at so many cars and all this stuff. It's always difficult. Yeah. R.I.P. DefRekka. 13 years. I was playing that PsN account, DefRekka. 851 games. Never will forget that one. One of my masterpieces. By the night. Modelo.
Ich spiele auf dem PC.
Red Rock. Red Rock is nice. East Town is nice. West Coast sucks. It was Atron, right? Oh. No way. Okay.
I'm on PS4 Pro.
Any names? Any room? You zooming aside. No way. Not for the zoo. 23 o'clock and 2 minutes after. Was a meter ride. Under.
Just here for chilling. hey you, MR Snow.
Cool. Dann wieder. Ach komm in der Zeit. Hi.
I'm fine. Einstellungen ausprobieren? go Mortal Kombat now. Mostly, I thanks to real life. I need to sleep. But before. Okay. I go once in Mortal Kombat 1-1. See you soon. Emoji OK hand. See you. Main PSN access DjVolgin, PsN ID.